So Kurt is gonna cook dinner. He's gonna cook. Tonight he's gonna cook dinner. He's gonna make Japanese curry. Japanese beef curry. Do you wanna try it, Zach?
No.
No?
No.
Why not? Coconut.
What are you guys having for dinner?
We're just gonna make coffee. So first time in our life, Kurt's gonna cook. Zach, don't do that, please. It's a shit. So dito sa Australia, this is what we use. We use fresh milk. We don't use powdered milk here.
Is it expired? No.
So Thea wants apple. Here's the apple, Thea.
You rascal. So these people moved up north and there's so much perfect life. No, that's its job. It's called a Siberian Husky. It's a large breed
Yeah.
that absolutely loves being outside.
Oh yeah.
I'll make it a little bit
They
small.
love being standouts too. They could run for hours. So what I did was
Give it to Kanto lang mo.
That's okay. So I want some cut up apple.
Para hindi mahirapan gumawa ng postizo.
Do you still want some apple, Thea? Ano ka?
Sabi ko para hindi mahirapan gumawa ng postizo.
Basta niya ang postizo. You?
You.
Postizo katawan mo. Ako, lola. Lola na. Pag nag-anak ka na, lola na. Sino kaya mapapakasabi ko?
Lola ka na.
Ano, lola nga pala ako. Sila ano?
Dami mo lang ano.
Lola ako nila Chloe. Si Chloe, ito yung makikita ko. Mama, iya! Iwan! Iniwanan daw siya. Iwan! Lagi siya sabi, iniwanan daw siya. Hindi sama! Baby! Tuwing makikita ako, visit na bata. Oh, yes! Alam niyo ba guys, today is a lazy day. Feel so lazy.
Hindi nyo naman kinakain mga fruits dito tapos naghahanap pa ng grapes.
Ako lang bumibili niyan. Ilalay ko sana yan sa yogurt. Pa?
May chicken pa pala dyan eh.
Oh yeah, Thea maybe wants that.
There's still barbecue chicken in that.
Thea! Baba. Oh. Tira pa akong cupcake. Cupcake.
Comcast.
Cupcake.
Labas mo na yung bin. Hindi ko nagpipiyo. Natitlo ako nagpipiyo.
bukas, pauwi na si Nathan. Pagka pauwi si Nathan, hindi ako nag-shopping masyado. Dahil, yeah,
Kaya sinalo pa dito, mag-shopping dito.
he's gonna buy a lot of food, tas yung sinapping ko, masisira. It's getting waste. Kaya pag pauwi siya, bumili ako ng mga gulay, hindi ko rin naman yun may iluluto. Pag andito din siya, pero sa the good thing kay Nathan, hindi siya kumakain ng Filipino food. I don't have to cook all the time for him. Kasi kung kumakain si daddy niya ng Filipino food, para dito, luto ako ng luto yan araw-araw. Kurt Louie, ginamit mo tong pangasa pero hindi mo binalik.
I did.
Ano nga did?
What was there?
Saan?
On the rack.
Diyan ba yung nakalagay?
Yeah. Nalaglag sa bin yung isa.
Malakas.
Ganto ka lalaki, ma.
Ayos na yan. So, Kurt is going to cook curry.
Oh my god. So,
Nagluto ka na ba yan dati pa?
no.
First time?
I don't cook anything. Noodles.
Hindi, nung wala kami dito.
Pin-air fry ko ang lahat. Season ko air fry yan. Tinry ko mag-deep fry. Ang sama ng lasa.
Ayun. Makahilaw pa.
Hindi. It was cooked but it tasted really bad.
Madilim na dito sa amin. Sasarado na ng cortina. Madilim na. Mahangin pa rin. Still windy. So today we're going to taste Kurt first home cooked beef curry. Initin mo na yung rice, Kurt. Kurt, initin mo na yung rice. Sino mo, tumabak-taba ko na. May rice ba?
Yung rice. Luto na.
Luto ko na.
Start na.
Kompletuin mo naman yung dinner.
Mag-start na.
Dinner!
Mag-start na.
I'm going to have a shower.
Meron na naman dito.
Yung ano ko eh.
Bukas ka naman dito.
I'm so amazed talaga dito sa egg ko. Ang ganda ng kulay. Luto akong rice. Binalik mo ba tong anak? Yun nandito? Nakakabit? Kurt? Ayaw na. So, 43 minutes to cook the rice. Nice. So Kurt using Google to cook his first curry. Nag-crave kasi ng curry. Kalakas yata ng apoy mo. Hiya, girl. You okay? I'm gonna cook you chicken balls. Huh?
Garlic ball.
Garlic balls. Chicken garlic balls. Where's Zach? Do you want chicken garlic balls too? No? What do you want? Do you want some curry? What do you want? What do you want? Toasted cheese sandwich? Vegemite sandwich?
Gusto mo sinusumiyak?
Nuggets? Try the curry that Kurt cooked. That's his first cooking. Huh? Ramen.
I haven't tried some. Yeah, I'll take one.
Huh?
Yeah, I'll take ramen.
Ramen.
But I'll try Kurt's cooking.
Oh yeah. Try Kurt's cooking first. If you don't
I
like it, I'll
die,
cook your ramen.
I'm gonna die.
Nice. Ito na, Ben?
Yeah. Malambot na. Sinimmer ko lang ulit. Malambot na lang.
Oh, gutom.
Namsan.
Pag masarap yan, ikaw na lang yung magluluto.
Pag wala si Dad, ako magluto lang.
Sige.
Yeah.
Ay, may tagaluto na.
I tried it. Tried the soup. The soup is good. I tried it earlier.
Tignan natin yung luto ni Kurt. Wow. Mukhang mukhang mukha na, yan
I think I put too much water.
Kamukhang kamukha ng Japanese,
I put too much water in, I think.
Wala mo. Tikman natin. Lagyan ko na oh. Nice. Good, kakain na ako. Parang nga yung ganun sa
Yan yung binibili natin sa
Japanese wok restaurant. Alright. I'm not gonna make you, I'm not gonna cook. No, I'm not gonna cook the garlic for you.
What?
Garlic balls. Chicken garlic balls. Iluto ko sa 10. 6. 6 lang. Air fryer.
beef is really soft.
Sarap. So, nakaligo na din ako. Kurt finishes cooking. Sarap kumain na nakataas yung tao. Sarap.